All right, guys. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, okay, we are Brainybite tutorial. What we do in this channel is I will teach you guys everything that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, and NECO. We'll talk about things that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, and NECO. Okay, if you're a Jamb candidate, please, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Because here in this our WhatsApp group, we are going to be updating everything that concerns your school of choice, everything at all that concerns your school. So you'll be, everything going on in your school. So you'll be following up here on our WhatsApp group, on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So if you know one thing, if you know you sat for the just concluded UTME examination and you did not do well, you didn't do well, and you know that you didn't do well, okay, and you have been writing Jamb for a very long time now, and you are scared you don't want to write Jamb again in 2025, and you don't know how to process your admission, you want to gain you really want to gain admission because it has been long, you have been writing Jamb for a very long time and you want to go to school this year. Please let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group. All right, so we might be of help to you. It's not as if we might be, will be of help to you and you will gain admission. All right, even with your low Jamb score. All right, so we are here to help you and we are here to help you succeed. Okay, so that's basically why we are here. Okay, so that's that. Secondly, we have a WhatsApp community. Our WhatsApp community, it is for only 2020, only our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, so that's what our WhatsApp community is. All right, so however, you too, you can be one of our member. The only way you can be one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number and you message me on WhatsApp, and after getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you in our WhatsApp group. Okay, there in our WhatsApp group we have access to WAEC question and answers free of charge. You have access to NECO question and answers free of charge. You have access to updated schools past questions free of charge, and you still have to interact with your fellow aspirants. Okay, so not only that, we'll also have so many other things you can get there in our WhatsApp group. Okay, and lastly, if you know that you are going to be among the 2020 the candidates that will be admitted in 2024, okay, so it is important for you to join our WhatsApp group because in 2025 next year January we are going to upload, or we are going to launch our platform. We're going to launch our program. Okay, that our program, it is for our admitted candidates. Okay, so that's our program will help our admitted candidate while they are while they are still in school. It will help them financially because it is not everybody that their parents' money that will be given to them will be enough. Okay, so the money your parents might be giving to you might not be enough, so it is advised for you to join our program so that you can still from there help yourself and also help your parents and ease the stress for you and your parents also. So it's advised for you to join our WhatsApp group. All right, so when you join our WhatsApp group, every other things will be there for you. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, so if you are getting any information or if you are getting any knowledge from this video, or if you like the comment, or if you like the content you are watching right now, please, I want you to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification. Please don't forget, most importantly, like this video so that YouTube algorithm will notify others about this video. Okay, so today I'm going to talk, the topic of today is University of Medical Sciences Ondo, UNIMED. Right, so we're going to, that's to tell you that we are going to talk about everything that concerns University of Medical Sciences. All right, so after the Jamb examination, some candidates came to me and were asking me the next thing to do after Jamb examination. Right, so the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination is post UTME examination. However, it is not all schools that write post UTME, so that doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy their form. You definitely have to buy their form. Okay, even if your school writes post UTME or not, you need to purchase their form so you can be eligible for their screening. Okay, you don't need to go to this. If your school are not writing post UTME, you don't need to go to the school. All right, so what you only need to do is to buy their form and sit in your house and wait for them to do the screening. And if you meet if you met the admission criteria, they will definitely have to give you admission. All right, so that's that. Others will be asking, when is the form going to be out? The form will be out soon, so it is advised for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever the form is out, I will go to notify the platform and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so that's for that. People that will be asking also, how can I get the form, or how can I purchase the form? All right, so we can help you get the form. You don't necessarily need to go to school before you can be able to get the form. We can help you get the form and document everything and send for you across. All right, so that's the distance is not a barrier, so that's why it is important for you to join us on our WhatsApp group. All right, so when you join us, we have to do everything for you. We definitely have to do everything for you. All right, so if you believe you are going to make it this year, if you believe you are going to get admission this year, also let me know in the comment section that you'll be admitted this year. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that I love you guys. Okay, keep winning.